Good morning guys, I'm Amy Barr from Engineering, and today I'm just going to talk about this whole virtual teaching world that we're all struggling, and I know that some of you guys are having issues as well. I have done a whole plethora of trying to discover what's easier for the students, for those of them who are studying at home, and currently I have found that actually recording some videos and applying that logic, such as in mechanical principles, including the boards which they can then access, is helping a lot more for students to stay engaged. So what that means is, if I'm just going to start to do this beginning of this equation, I can write directly onto the board. So we're going to look at our 200 newtons times that distance from the pivot, which is 3 meters, which we know to be 600 newton meters. And then the next part of my equation, we've got 20 newtons, which is 20, distance away from the pivot is 2 meters, and I know that is 40 newton meters. However, that's a negative because the forces are going up, so that means it's negative 40. So I know that that side of my beam that is balanced is actually going to be 560 newton meters. Now, what I've found with students is they respond really well to doing stuff on the board, which a lot of us do naturally anyway with our supported resources. However, if we actually start to record some of our lessons, not only, hopefully if this works, below you will be able to see the captions. So for any students who are potentially hearing impaired or might be able to read the captions a bit better, because we all know that we struggle with connection issues when we stream live, which is the struggles that I have found using exclusively Teams. So instead, what I'm proposing to do is that for some of my sessions, I'm going to start recording them, and then I'm going to upload them to Moodle, adding captions so that those students can then press play and pause on demand, which hopefully should bridge that gap between this really struggling divide of a virtual world and also the real teaching world, which we are all still trying to navigate in these difficult times. I hope this helped some of you guys. It's just something we're going to trial in engineering, and I'll let you know how it goes.